Oh boy. Guess I ain't doing no on foot today. Not today. Not in this. Woo. Oh snap. Yo, peace and love, guys. Dang. So I'm downtown. Told you guys I wasn't going to stay inside this time. I mean, even though this place is like really familiar to me and to you guys, you've been rocking with me for a while. I really want to get a chai tea, but I didn't. This homeless lady was actually harassing me downtown. Like, seriously. And I wasn't really entertaining what she was doing. She was like, sir, what are you doing? What is that? And I just like totally ignored her. And then she was like handicapped. I don't know if she was like fake handicapped or what, but she was like getting closer. So I just left. Like, I didn't want to put like another homeless person on camera talking and stuff like that. So I just moved and found another spot. Skaters were cool, you know what I'm saying? I see they were trying to get the little content off. I didn't really want to disturb that, but you know, I wanted them to do like a trick, and then like I put the camera on the skateboard and I like jump off the skateboard, but none of that happened. Though Russ hit me up, he's talking about, yo, what's cooking with the kicks. So I told him I got a few things, got some New Balance coming up. Let's just go ahead and jump into the camera that I'm talking on now. I did not have this camera like I normally do to do the unboxing. They're going to skater dudes over there. What's up? I think they thought I was going to steal their phone because they had their phone on the ground filming some stuff. And I walked by with my camera and phone, and they looked over there like, I'm like, yeah, I already know how that feels for someone to steal your filming phone camera. I get it. But I'm out. Peace, love, and light, guys. Oh, police out, man. So yeah, it's time to go. I got stranded yesterday. You know what I'm saying? And Comac actually came to help me out. He brought his little jumper pack. I just ran out of gas, but Comac definitely got a couple homie points for that. You know what I'm saying? So thanks, Comac. Okay, that was pretty fun, you know what I'm saying? Got outside a little bit, and the guy with the Tiffany's, you tell me what you think about them Tiffany's. They look clean, but that little plastic Nike thing on the side was kind of the giveaway. And the quality on this unboxing is a little different because I'm using an old camera. I had to use this old little flip-up camera, G7X Mark II, to do this video because I couldn't find my camera, and I think I left my big camera in the backyard. But anyway, we have the Air Jordan. See, I can't even see the words as good as I'm used to seeing them. The quality's not as good. I said black metallic golden Palomino. I had to go back and look at it. And I love these, man. These are incredible. When I saw the
initial images months before. I was like, yo, I gotta have those. This is probably, I'm gonna say it right now, where are we at, June? This is my favorite Jordan 1 of the year so far. And I can see this. I don't know what they can do to beat this, but like I said, throw some brown on a sneaker, and they got me. And the leather was the most questionable. I've seen other people review these, and I think the leather on this is closer to what you would see on the Alma Maniere 4. Like, it looks like it's transitional, but it's not like soft and wavy, and that's okay. I like this genuine leather kind of look a little better in this case. I'm glad they switched it up and used some different textiles and materials. Love the little gold on the tongue. I don't know where they got that from, but it just looks good. Red would have been cool, but the gold looks good. Bottoms are brown or Palomino, and again, like I said in the other Palomino video for the Jordan 3, Palomino is a color of a horse. That's where you would see that most. I don't know why, but that's just what it is. Got some Dream Cell here, and again, man, these are great. It looked amazing on foot, and these actually were a little bit more comfortable than some of the other Jordan 1s. And I didn't like the shape of these Jordan 1s, but these ones, they got me, man. They got me on this one. These are supposed to officially release on September 16th, and I think I might go for them. I think I'll see what the sneaker apps is going to do for me, but I'm not going to hold my breath. And these are actually nice enough, so it is what it is. Here's some insoles from Hefe Luxe. Like, this is the lowest quality they have, but these are the best ones because they don't fill the shoe up too much, and you got to cut them down to match your insole. But let's take a look at the black light, and yeah, there's really nothing on these guys. We'll go over it real quick here, but I couldn't find anything. Like, these are pretty clean. A lot of dust on them, but that's just from the box. But man, these are really, really nice. I do give the shoe, I'll give it a 9. I don't know why I don't want to give it a 10. I just don't want to give it a perfect score, but I give it a 9. I give it a 9. What you guys think about that weird cloud? Like, that was the weirdest cloud I've probably seen in my life, but I don't know. Peace, guys. Catch you on the next one.